This is a video request for DatCon Philcon78. But I bet it might be for xctome for a random dude to see. But first I'll show you the air conditioner vent on the wall of the living room. And it's turned off already, but yeah. And I'll show you the temperature right there. It's a Honeywell, and it's about, I think, closer to 70 degrees, and yeah, as you can see here, kind of hard to tell for something else, but anyways, I'll go ahead and go outside. And here it is. It's a 10 Seer air conditioner. Let's go inside. It's got the blades, 2 metal blades. It's kind of turned off right now. But yeah. And so yeah. But yeah. Okay, so yeah. So yeah, this is the HVAC system in the backyard of our house. So alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, including xctome and 84 random dude and a bit of others. Thank you for watching.